volunteer of NSS unit Deshbandhu College, and I am from Nagaon, Assam. And Nagaon is known for its famous Kaziranga National Park and a one-horned rhino found here. It is also known for the largest Shivalingam temple of Asia, Mahamrityunjay Temple, which is about 126 feet tall. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Artika of NSS unit Deshbandhu College and I am from Patna, Bihar. And Patna is famous for its attractive destinations like temples, tombs, etc.
Hello everyone, I'm Shruti Rawat as a volunteer for NSS unit Deshbandhu College from Delhi. I live in Delhi, as you all know that Delhi is the capital of India and also regarded as the heart of the nation. Delhi is of great historical significance as an important commercial, transport and cultural hub as well as the political center of India. Thank
volunteer for the NSS unit Deshbandhu College from Bhiwani, Haryana. Bhiwani is also known as a mini Cuba because of the large number of boxers hail from this area.
A volunteer of NSS unit Deshbandhu College. I am from Kashmir, which is known for its scenic beauty all around the world, as it tranquilizes hearts of millions of tourists across.
Hello everyone, myself Nandita and I am an NSS volunteer of Deshbandhu College, University of Delhi. I am from Jamshedpur, Jharkhand. Jamshedpur is one of the industrial cities of India and is known as the steel city by many. It is famous for Tata Steel founded by Jamshedji Tata. It is also the first industrial plant city of our country. Thank you.
क्या कमी यूं तो सारे सुख है बरसे पर दूर तू है अपने घर से आ लौट चल तू अब दीवाने जहाँ कोई तो तुझे अपना माने आवाज दे तुझे बुलाने वही दे.
Hello everyone, myself Harsh Namdev and I am a volunteer of NSS group from Deshbandhu College, Mumbai, Maharashtra. And as you know, Mumbai is known as the city of dreams because it offers limitless opportunity for all the citizens of India. Thank
ये पल है वही जिसमें है छुपी पूरी एक सदी सारी जिंदगी. तू ना पूछ रास्ते में काहे आए.
Hi everyone, my name is Samir Jain and I am from Jaipur, Rajasthan. I'm an active NSS volunteer from Deshbandhu College and my city is famous for its hospitality, its culture and its rich heritage.
शाम चाहे वही देश ये जो देश है तेरा स्वदेश है तेरा तुझे है पुकारा ये वो बंधन है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता.
Hello everyone, my name is Shivani Kumari. I am also the volunteer for NSS unit Deshbandhu College. I am from Noida and Noida represents everything urban through its concrete jungles, high expressways and many more.
Hello everyone, myself Sakshi Rautela and I am a volunteer for NSS unit Deshbandhu College and I am from Almora, Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is known for the composed Himalayas, holy rivers, spiritual centers and spellbinding landscapes.